Welcome back to Financial Futures, where we empower you with the knowledge you need to navigate your financial journey confidently. Today, we've got some important news that affects millions of Americans. Social Security benefits are set to increase, and whether you're receiving retirement, disability, SSDI, survivors, spousal, SSI, or VA benefits, this is something you won't want to miss. We're going to break down exactly how much more money will be hitting your bank account each month, and what this means for your financial future. So, how much of a raise are you getting? And what could this mean for your day-to-day life? Stay tuned, because I'm about to give you all the details, plus some expert analysis on what could happen next. Let's dive right in. But first, let me say a big thank you for being here. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. It's totally free, and it ensures you never miss out on crucial updates that could affect your finances. We're here for you every single day, breaking down the latest financial news in a way that's easy to understand. So go ahead, subscribe, and let's get into it. Alright, let's talk numbers. Recently, the latest inflation data was released, and this is the first of 3 key data points we need to calculate the upcoming cost of living adjustment, or COLA, for Social Security benefits. This adjustment is crucial because it determines how much your benefits will increase next year, based on the rising costs of goods and services. The Consumer Price Index for urban wage earners and clerical workers, or CPIW, is currently sitting at 2.9%. Now, this number is important because Social Security uses it to calculate the COLA by comparing the third quarter inflation data from this year to last year's third quarter. If the data stays consistent, we're looking at a potential COLA increase of 2.6% for 2024. I know what you're thinking, a 2.6% increase doesn't sound like much, especially given how much prices have gone up lately. And you're right. It's not a huge number. But when it comes to your monthly benefits, every little bit counts. Let's look at what this means in real dollars for you. Let's break it down. If you're currently receiving $600 per month in Social Security benefits, a 2.6% increase would add about $16 to your monthly check. If your benefit is $700 a month, you're looking at an increase of about $18 per month. For an $800 benefit, that's an extra $21, and if you're receiving $900, you'll see an additional $23 each month. Now, if you're receiving $1,000 per month, a 2.6% increase translates to $26 more per month in your pocket. And if your monthly benefit is $1,100, expect to see about $28 extra each month. Now, I get it, $16, $18, even $28 more a month might not seem like much when you're dealing with rising costs for everything from groceries to gas. But here's the silver lining, it's something. And in the world of fixed incomes, every dollar can make a difference. Now, let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. The inflation we're seeing right now, particularly in areas like shelter and food, is still significant. In fact, shelter costs have risen 4/10 month over month, and 5.1% year over year. Food prices, though reportedly only up 1.1% year over year, are still pinching many of us at the grocery store. So, what does this mean for your COLA? Well, there's both good news and bad news. The good news is we still have 2 more months of inflation data to go before Social Security makes the final COLA announcement. That means there's potential for the COLA to increase even further if inflation rises. The bad news? There's also a chance it could decrease if inflation cools off unexpectedly. But here's my best estimate, based on the current data. I'm predicting that the 2024 COLA will land somewhere between 2.4% and 2.9%. While some might give you a wide range, I'm narrowing it down because I believe in giving you the most accurate information possible based on what we know right now. And remember, we'll get more precise with this as new data comes in. In about a month, when the next inflation report comes out, I'll be able to tighten that estimate even further. And by the time Social Security makes the official announcement, you'll be among the first to know exactly what your new benefits will be. So, while it's not the massive increase we might all wish for, it's still a step in the right direction. And remember, a 0% increase was on the table too, so let's be grateful for the increase we're getting, however small it may be. The key takeaway? Stay informed, stay prepared, and always be ready to make the most of the financial opportunities available to you. Thanks so much for watching Financial Futures. If this video helped clarify things for you, please do me a favor, hit that like button, share it with your friends on social media, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me, and it helps this channel continue to provide valuable content. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and keep looking forward to a brighter financial future.